Nobody talks enough about this, but stress may be feeding your fibroids every single day. If you feel stressed, tired, overwhelmed, anxious, or constantly on, your body may be struggling more than you realize. And yes, your hormones can be affected too. When your body is under stress, it makes a hormone called cortisol. Cortisol is your stress hormone. It helps your body respond to danger and pressure. But when stress stays high for weeks, months, or years, your body can get stuck in survival mode. That is when problems can start. High cortisol can throw your hormones out of balance. Your body may start making less progesterone. Progesterone is a hormone that helps keep things balanced and calm inside the body. When progesterone goes down, estrogen can become too high. And fibroids love estrogen. Too much estrogen may help fibroids grow bigger and cause more symptoms. This can lead to heavy periods that drain your energy, painful cramps that stop you from enjoying life, bloating that makes you feel uncomfortable, low energy and tiredness all the time, mood swings and feeling emotional, trouble sleeping or relaxing. This is why healing is not only about what you eat. Your nervous system matters too. Your body needs moments of safety, peace, and rest. Simple things can help more than people think. Getting enough sleep, going for short walks, taking deep breaths, laughing more, praying or meditating, spending time in nature, saying no to things that overwhelm you, drinking water and slowing down. Small steps every day can help your body feel safe. Again, if this helped you understand fibroids in a new way, share this video with another woman who needs to hear it, and subscribe for more simple fibroid, hormone and womb health tips. And when your body feels safer, your hormones can work better too.